Are you looking for a reliable way to access your Outlook OST files in Apple Mail or Mac Mail, EMLX format? Welcome to WholeClear OST to EMLX Converter offers a fast and secure solution to export OST files into EMLX format, making your data accessible across Apple Mail platforms without any compatibility issues. Key highlights of WholeClear OST to EMLX Converter. Simplified GUI. User-friendly interface for smooth migration. Direct access. Seamlessly open OST files in Mac Mail. Risk-free process. Ensures 100% safe and accurate conversion. No file size barriers. Effortlessly handle small or large OST files. How it works. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download and install WholeClear OST to EMLX Converter on your Windows system. Step 2. Select the Outlook storage file .ost as the source. Step 3. Choose file or folder mode and browse the OST files. Step 4. Select Convert to EMLX format .emlx and click Next. Step 5. Specify a destination path to save the converted files. Step 6. Hit Convert now to begin the process. With WholeClear OST to EMLX Converter, you can easily migrate OST mailboxes into Apple Mail EMLX format without data loss, error messages, or technical hassles. The software guarantees a 100% secure and efficient migration experience. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.